Hello everyone, this is my pig farm for the Crumbled SMP. This farm is a spawner farm. The pigs get spawned up there and then fall through the lava. As you can see, there's some pork chop here. This is what I've collected so far. Kind of decently simple. We just passed the version. We're on the version right now that if you can silk touch spawners in this version. That's the version. Spawner 1, 2, 3, 4. In the future, I'm going to have a dispenser thing, a water thing, that'll push the pigs this way, hopefully. And well, they just wander around and then drop there. I've tested this exact design in modern Minecraft and in beta Minecraft before I placed the spawners. I did research and everything. Oh boy. Okay, this is where you can AFK. I feel like this is the best spot. So yeah, you could hold meat or carrots or whatever right here, and then the pigs should follow, which it's not really that good, the wheat. And well, this is my base, everyone. This is my pig farm, this is my base. This is the nether portal to get here, so all you need to do is exit this nether portal. Let me go, guys. This is the Crumbled SMP whitelisted, and it's just a cool SMP. I'll show you. That's about it, everyone. Bye.